Hey there, golfers. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest golf gear reviews and tips. Today, we're talking about something every serious golfer needs in their bag, high-quality golf club Ferrules. And we've got something special for you. Introducing the 10PCS Plastic Golf Club Ferrules Replacement Tips, available in 3 stylish colors: white, red, and orange. These Ferrules are designed to provide a secure and professional finish to your club irons, and they are made from high-quality plastic, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. With a tip size of 0.355, these Ferrules are compatible with most iron golf club shafts, making them a versatile addition to any golfer's toolkit. But why should you upgrade to these replacement Ferrules? Well, not only do they add a touch of style to your clubs, but they also help protect the shaft from damage and ensure a snug fit between the club head and the shaft. This means better control and improved performance on the course. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out in the game, these 10PCS Plastic Golf Club Ferrules replacement tips are a must-have accessory. And the best part? You can get them at an incredible price by clicking the link in the description below. Don't settle for subpar equipment, invest in quality, and take your game to the next level. Trust us, your golf game will thank you for it. So go ahead, click that link and get your hands on these fantastic golf club Ferrules today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the course.